Hello boys and girls, we meet again in our lesson 5. Before that, let me look at your textbook. We still with Unit 2, Appreciating Others, but this week we focus more on reading. Okay, what are you going to learn by the end of this lesson? Pupils should be able to, you will be able to read and understand the phrases and sentences from linear text. What is linear text? The text with full of the text writing, full of sentences, no picture, no information. That is considered as linear text. Able to use dictionary skills to identify the meaning of the words and able to write answers and write sentences based on the text read. Okay, our text. This is linear text. Okay, be appreciative. Published Thursday, 25th February 2021, 9:25 a.m. by Medina A.D. Hasna goes out of her way to give her daughter Mira everything she never had as a child. So here, her daughter Mira, everything she never had as a child. Mean here she is Hasna. Hasna goes out to her way to give her daughter Mira everything that Hasna never had as a child. So to her surprise, this approach had backfired. What is backfired? That is your job, your work to find the meaning. Mira is not appreciative. Buy her a simple mobile phone. She wants a branded smartphone. Buy simple mobile phone. But she wants a branded, good quality. That is the branded. She is only 9. And she demands only the most expensive things, said Hasna. Hasna said only 9. Who is 9? Her daughter is 9 years old. But she already demands everything expensive. Mira is a child who does not appreciate what she has, and it is not a healthy practice, said a child therapist. So, this situation, Hasna, Mira's mother, is talking with a therapist, child therapist. So, Dr. Azwan said Mira is not a healthy practice. So means it's not a good way to behave as a child. Okay. He advised children to appreciate what they have. Dr. Azwan advised children to appreciate what they have. Okay. He said that there are many ways children can learn to be appreciative. Many ways to be appreciative. We have learned how to appreciate others last week. How to appreciate others? Appreciate in concern situation, in happiness situation, sorrow situation. There are 5 that we have learned. So, Dr. Azwan said there are many ways of appreciating others. First, Before they go to bed, they should list the things they are most grateful for that day. So you, as a child, you should do that. Before you go to bed, before you sleep, you list out what good things that I have done for today. So if you did not do anything, so you make sure that you do tomorrow. You can do better. Today, you can do good things one only. You list only one, for example. But tomorrow, you can upgrade. You can do 2 or 3 more. That make you appreciate yourself. So you learn how to appreciate. And then, second, children must learn to be thankful. Thankful. Thank you. Thankful. For example, thanking their parents, friends, the postman, or the bus driver. Yes. Last week, teacher already said, if teacher give you something, if someone give you something, if someone help you, what must you say? You must start with saying thank you. When you say when you thank when you thank the person, that means you are appreciating others. So learn. The doctor said, must learn to be thankful. For example, thanking their parents, friends, and postman or the bus driver. You aboard the bus, and then before you leave the bus, before you go down, you can say, thank you, Mr. Bus Driver. That is the good way on in appreciating others. Most importantly, they should be thankful for the little things they have, such as food, clothes, and shelter. For example, you have a good food today, so you have to thank you, dear daddy, thank you, dear mommy, for giving me this delicious food. Although it is a little thing, but you learn how to thank and appreciate others. Okay. Parents play an important role in teaching children to be appreciative. They can encourage their children to read stories with good values or watch inspiring movies. So, where can you get? You can read the book. You can from the reading, you can learn many things, how to appreciate others. Or you can watch movies on inspiring movies. These would help them to be grateful for what they have. From there, you can learn how to be grateful. Grateful. What is the meaning of grateful? Grateful to others. Thank you for giving me this one. Thank you for having me. That is grateful. You appreciate others. Okay. Teacher already underlined the words backfired. What is the meaning of backfired? Branded, demands, grateful, encourage, inspiring. So find the meaning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words that you have to find the meaning. If you find the meaning in Bahasa, it's okay. I accept it. If you find the meaning in English, that's better. Okay. Now, based on the text we have read just now, the question. So you have to focus, listen carefully, because we are going to answer the question. Question 1. Why is Hasna worried? Why is Hasna worried? How you answer the question? Start with Hasna worried. The question is why. The answer must have a reason. When reason must start with because. Hasna worried because refer to the text. Because of what? So your answer must start with Hasna worried because blah blah blah. Okay. Number 2. Describe Mira's character. So character. How? When you read the text, you know what is the character that Mira's have. So how you answer? You start your answer. Mira's character is okay. Mira's character what? You look at the passage, look at the text. You can know which one is the answer of Mira's character. Number 3. What are the child therapist suggestion? Okay. What are the child therapist suggestion? Suggestion. You must know the meaning of suggestion. Suggest. I suggest you to do this, to do that, to do this. So, what are the child therapist suggestion? What are mean more than one. So, you start your answer with the child therapist suggests to number 1 what? Number 2 what? And number 3 what? Is it number 3 or got 3 or 2 or 1? If here got are mean more than one suggestion. The child therapist suggests what? To do what? So, based on the text. List out the basic necessities mentioned in the article. List out the basic necessities. Science also, you learn what is basic necessities. The basic necessities, so you list out. How you want to list out? Look back to the text and then you know what is basic necessities. Basic, what is the meaning of basic? When you learn what is basic necessities, you know the answer. Okay. So, how you answer the question? Number 4. The basic necessities are, or the basic necessities mentioned in the article are. You write 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 5. Find the word in the article that has the same meaning as A. Gone wrong. B. A roof over your head. C. Major. So, here gone wrong. You find the words from the article, from the text we have read just now. What is the meaning of gone wrong? Same meaning with gone wrong stated in that text. A roof over your head. A roof over your head. And then C, major. What can you find? The same meaning with major from the text. Okay. Let's stop. Why must we appreciate what we have discussed? How do you say thank you in other languages? This is your work. You can surf the internet and find how people in Japan say thank you. How people in India say thank you. That is your own. That is your own way. You want to find? You can surf the internet. Okay, this one, ways to appreciate yourself, is also in your textbook. And last week we have discussed this about how to appreciate yourself. Think about the times, take part in activities, appreciate yourself. When you appreciate yourself, you will be grateful. When you be grateful, you will get healthy. That is the way. Healthy. You are what we call? You are what? healthy life. You are using healthy life. Now this one, match those. This one also your work. Match the words to their meaning. From the appreciate yourself, what is the meaning of thoughtful? What is the meaning of indulging? You just match the words to their meanings. Okay, before we end our lesson today, look here. You must know what is the meaning of e-card. An e-card is a digital version of a greeting card. It is sent through email. Through email. What is email? What is e-card? What is the difference between e-card and card? What is the difference between email and mail? That is the same, only the way of sending the card. For example, you send the card only by Mr. Postman. But when you want to send e-card, you are sending it using email. Email means electronic. Email, electronic mail. E-cards, electronic cards. So your work last week, I gave you to do simple card. Simple card. You do the card and then you send the card through WhatsApp, through Telegram. That is also considered an e-card because you send using electronic, using the gadget. That is considered, I accept. So you know what is the meaning of e-card. That's why teacher only give you this one. I don't want you to do e-card because you already do the card. It's simple card. Only you must remember what is the difference between card and e-card. Okay. So your task for this week. Number one, also usually I give you quiz. Find the meaning of the underlined words. How many words? I gave you 6 words. Answer the question based on the text. Hasna and her daughter and the dialogue between Hasna and doctor, therapist. And the last one, match the words based on appreciating yourself. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. See you next week.